Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how to integrate AI replies, automated replies into your website, in today's video we will be guiding you to the process. So let's just get started without any delay. So for now, let's head over to this website right here, which is landbot.io. You can also head over to their website right here, and once you're headed over here, you can go over and log in into your account if you're not logged in, and go over in starting up. You can start by creating up your AI agent. So for example, let's say I would like to create a new AI agent. You can also do so. You can select this option for bot builder, and you can select this option for build a chatbot. Once you do so, you can select up what kind of bot you are going to launch. So if it's for Wave, you can select this option called Wave, and you can select this option for build it for me, start from scratch, or use a template. So there are different options available. You can use the one. So if you want to use build it for me, you just need to go ahead and type in what kind of bot you want. So for example, if you want your bot for customer service, you can type in and click on generate. And once you click on generate, it will show you some buttons available which you can use. So here, if you want to go ahead and use these buttons, you can edit out these questions and everything. You can select this option if you want this message to pop up on your customer service. Welcome to customer service. Would you like to speak to an agent? So you can select this option if yes, and edit out the message and everything as well, and apply it up and click on yes. Similarly, you can edit out the questions for any other thing, like what kind of issue you're experiencing, technical issues. You can visit or contact our team, etc., and these information available. Once you do so, you can test this bot, or you can select this option for publish directly. So you can click this option for publish, and once you publish it, you can just go over and copy the link. So go over and copy the link, and you can go over to your Google site or the website where you're creating your site, and from there go over login. And once you are logged in, you just need to wait for some certain seconds and open up the project where you would like to add it up. Once you open up the project, you can just go over and select the option for embed, click on it, and there you can just go over and paste the code that you had earlier. After that, you can select the whole page or the preview. I'm just gonna select the preview, and you can click on this option called insert. Once you insert it up, you will be finding your AI bot being available here. You can now, whenever people need your website, they can just go over and open up this bot right here once you publish it, and you can review and change the publish, and that's it. So you can go over and click on publish and confirm it up, and your AI bot should already be integrated to your website right there. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to go over and do so, you may head over and follow up the steps. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.